Imagine standing on the edge of the Grand Canyon, gazing out over its vast, colorful cliffs and winding river, and realizing that this breathtaking landscape once hid a secret. A massive ancient lake, so enormous it would have dwarfed anything you see today. And the wildest part? This lake may have been created by a cosmic event, a meteor strike that changed the course of history in the American Southwest. It's a story that sounds like science fiction, but it's written right into the rocks beneath your feet. The Grand Canyon is more than just a natural wonder. It's a living record of Earth's dramatic past. Every layer of rock, every twist in the canyon walls, tells a story millions of years in the making. But among these stories, one mystery stands out: the evidence of a vanished lake, and the possibility that a cosmic collision played a role in its creation. Let's dig into the science. About 56,000 years ago, a massive meteorite hurtled through space and slammed into what is now northern Arizona. The impact was so powerful it blasted out Meteor Crater, a gaping hole nearly a mile wide and over 500 feet deep. The force of the explosion was equivalent to a large nuclear bomb, sending shockwaves rippling through the ground for miles around. Imagine the earth shaking, the sky lighting up, and a thunderous roar echoing across the desert. Now, just 100 miles away from the impact site, the Grand Canyon was already being carved by the relentless flow of the Colorado River. But something extraordinary happened. A gigantic landslide crashed down into the canyon, blocking the river's path with a wall of rock and debris. This natural dam was so high, it caused water to back up for miles, creating a lake that stretched across the canyon floor, higher and deeper than you'd ever imagine. For centuries, this lake transformed the landscape, leaving behind clues for future scientists to discover. But what could have triggered such a massive landslide at just the right time? Scientists believe the answer lies in the seismic shockwaves unleashed by the meteor impact. The ground would have trembled violently, shaking loose, unstable rock high above the canyon. It's a chain reaction. A meteor slams into the earth, the shock travels through the crust, and a mountainside collapses, forever altering the course of the Colorado River. Researchers have even used seismic equipment to model how the energy from the impact could have reached the canyon, setting off the landslide. The evidence for this ancient lake is hidden in the most unexpected places. Deep within the Grand Canyon's caves, scientists have discovered ancient driftwood, remnants of trees that once floated on the surface of a long-lost lake. Even more astonishing, they found beaver tracks pressed into dusty sediment high above the modern river. These clues suggest that, thousands of years ago, water levels were far higher than they are today, and the canyon was home to a very different ecosystem. Geologists have pieced together the story by collecting sediment samples from these caves and from the canyon walls. The layers of mud, sand, and organic material all point to a period when the canyon was flooded. By comparing the age of these sediments with the timing of the meteor impact and the landslide, scientists have found a remarkable alignment. Everything seems to fit: the impact, the quake, the landslide, and the rise of the ancient lake. So was it truly a cosmic collision that dammed the Grand Canyon and created this mysterious lake? The idea is bold, but the evidence is compelling. Scientists are still debating the details, but the connection between the meteor impact and the landslide is hard to ignore. It's a reminder that Earth's history is shaped not just by slow, steady forces, but sometimes by sudden, cataclysmic events from beyond our world. The mystery isn't solved yet, but with every new discovery, the clues are stacking up. Each rock sample, each fossil, and each layer of sediment brings us closer to understanding how a meteor from outer space may have changed the Grand Canyon forever. The story is still unfolding, and the canyon continues to guard its secrets, waiting for the next breakthrough. So next time you look out over the Grand Canyon, remember, you're not just seeing a landscape carved by water and time, but a place shaped by cosmic forces and ancient cataclysms. Stay curious and follow for more wild science yarns that reveal the hidden stories of our planet.